Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Ramadan daily video. Hello Sarah Lee.
Hello again.
Today we are, guys, it's so exciting. We are shooting the Eid lookbook today. Oh no, it's blurry.
Oh,
why is it blurry? Hello. Hello, wake up.
It's like really blurry.
Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Yes, today is an exciting day. We are shooting the 4th annual Eid lookbook. How crazy is that, guys? But we're kind of late as usual. When is Aysha ever on time? But I booked the studio from like 1 to 5, so we have 4 hours, which is plenty time to record this because normally we do it in like an hour and a half outside.
True.
So I think we're good. But we're like so excited, and I'm excited to see this studio. Like I've never shot in a studio before for any of my videos, so very excited. But yeah, you guys will get, there we go. You guys will get a little bit of a behind the scenes of today's shoot, and it should be really fun. And then I think I'm gonna try and post the video this Thursday, so just keep a lookout. Inshallah, I can do it. I don't really have much to do tomorrow during the day. Well, much to do. I have a lot to do, but I think I have a little bit of free time to edit, so I'm really excited. Are you excited, Sarah Lee?
Yes, I am. Don't worry, guys. I got you for the behind the scenes. I got
Yes, 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 yes. And we have like the whole room to ourselves. Like it's sick. It's like this big open room, all white, beautiful lighting. It's gonna be glorious, but
the sun better come through.
I know it's kind of gloomy today, but I mean, gloomy works with lighting. Like at least it's like even lighting.
True.
It's almost like a soft box. It's just very soft, even lighting, always consistent. So hopefully it's good in that room. Hopefully there's enough lighting for all of us. But either way, I think it's gonna be really good. And I will see you guys when we get to the actual studio. We're just driving there right now. About to head on the DVP. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so we just got to the studio space, and I didn't know this, they didn't tell me, but you had to book out the elevator if you need it. So we have to go up, okay? All of these stairs, all the way to the top.
I don't think they can see that there's 2 flights.
There's 2 flights of stairs, guys, and then I have this big ass suitcase. Sada has like 5 bags on her, so I'm gonna put you guys at the top and you can see us struggle. This is gonna be a mission and a half. At least there's a halfway point so we can breathe. It's actually really not that bad. You should. Yeah. Yeah, it's only the first 3 steps. Yeah, that's true.
No, that's not bad.
That really isn't that bad.
Bro.
I guess I don't need the clothing rack then. I'm too lazy to go back. I can't. Oh, we'll see. Man, that's my workout for the day. Wait till they see the studio though, guys. So nice. All right, guys, we just got into the shoot, or we just got into the studio, and look how nice this is. Like it has 4 windows, 4 huge windows all here. It came with a clothing rack, so we actually don't even need it. I'm too lazy to get it too. And then this really beautiful mirror. Yeah, everything's a prop. We can use it all. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so nice. Like I love it. Look at these. These are all like props that we can use. I love it. So it's gonna look really nice in photos too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at all the furniture we got. Look at this lighting though. This is lighting goals. This is literal lighting goals.
Thumbnail.
I love it, I love it. Okay, I got to finish doing my makeup and then I'll see you guys later. While I put on my makeup, you guys can watch Sarah stop motion, or not stop motion, time lapse of her steaming all the stuff.
Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I love steaming. And this one hijab in particular is so wrinkly. So I figured you might enjoy watching it get steamed because I would enjoy it too. For all those who are professional steamers, don't get at me because I ain't a professional, but yeah, look at how wrinkle-free it looks now. Who's ready to see outfit number 1? Are you guys ready? Not the whole thing?
Just a little bit.
Just a quick little sneak peek. Whoop! All right, that's all you guys get.
You guys can see my makeup though.
Yeah, you can just show your face.
This is the makeup that I decided to do. Ooh, it looks really good on camera. Ooh, okay, I gotta do a little thumbnail action here. You wanna like go in the background and just like smile, like sit on the seat. This is weird. I know. Oh my god, it looks so good! Oh, guys, this is a sneak peek of all the outfits in the setup. I'm so excited. Oh, we're really loud. Look number 2, guys. You already saw this outfit.
Yes.
I wore this to the CoverGirl event last week, but I thought it was really cute. It could be like an 8 outfit. And then I paired it up with a different type of hijab this time.
Give us a spin. Give us a spin. You look so much like your mom.
Really?
Yeah. Like both of our moms mixed into one.
Yeah.
They'd be so proud.
This hijab style, huh?
TBT, whoever.
This is like literally the only hijab style they used to wear.
Anybody who used to wear CK hijabs, shout us out in the comments.
Alright guys, we gotta be snappy. We got 5 more things to shoot, including this one, and we have like an hour, so we gotta be real fast.
Hello, friends.
And we are done. High five.
Long shoot.
I know, that was a really long shoot. Now we have like 5-10 minutes to clean up, so time to clean, guys. We are done, guys. We got out of there in time. Well, actually, you didn't know this, but we had to extend it by an hour because we were so late. But we got all the outfits, except for one. We ended up doing 7 instead of 8, but I actually like the last one that we put together. It was kind of like a mix of both of the last outfits, so. How was that experience? Did you have fun?
It was very long.
Yeah, very long.
This lookbook was so different than what we're like usually used to filming outside.
Yeah.
And I think because it was our first time, that's why like it took us
a long time. But it is so cold today. Like, I don't know exactly how cold it is, but it feels like under 10 degrees. Like, it is freezing.
I think it's also about to rain.
Is it?
I mean, there's no sun.
I don't know. But look at my nails, guys. I got some new Kiss manicure nails. Look how cute they look. It's like a French manicure. If you guys saw how crusty my nails looked under this, you would laugh. I love them though. Okay, we got to go. I'm gonna drop her off at the station and I have another event to go to after this. And then I get to go home. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But anyways, let's go. Oh, and the video, I already said this, but I think the video is gonna come up sometime this week, so keep a lookout, y'all. It's gonna be good, inshallah. I go straight, right? Or do I turn this way?
You're gonna go straight and then turn on DuPont.
Bye. So guys, little update. I went to the wrong side of the city. I'm going to this place called Wish Restaurant. I'm not even eating today, I'm fasting, but I'm just going because I want to be nice and show face at this event. Tell me why I went to Charles Street West instead of Charles Street East. My ass is all the way in Etobicoke right now. And the event starts in 10 minutes. Even when I try to be on time, guys, I would have been 15 minutes early. I would have been 15 minutes early. I was like, oh great, I can answer emails, I can answer comments, because I've been out all day. Nope. Nope, not even when I want to be on time, just not in the cards for me. So I'm gonna get there at 7:20, which is 20 minutes after I wanted to be there. So anyways, that's my life right now. I'm starving. I'm so, like, this is probably the hungriest I've been all Ramadan. Usually I'm pretty good. I don't know what it is. I guess I didn't really eat much yesterday. But I am starving. I've never felt like this before during Ramadan this month, this like whole time it's been Ramadan. So it's just not a fun time right now. I'm gonna be really cranky at this event. I didn't bring my toothbrush and my toothpaste, so my breath gonna be stanky. Why me? At least the shoot went well. But I'm just hella annoyed. Like, oh my god. Whatever. Whatever's meant to be will be. I'll see you guys at the event, hopefully, if I get there and make it to the right place. Okay guys, I just got to the event with Dermablend and it's so cute. It's at this restaurant called Wish. Yeah. This is what it's looking like. You are over here. Got my name tag over here.
So as you may or may not know, Dermablend is relatively new to Canada. So it's only been available not even 2 years. In October will be 2 years here in Canada. And we are part of the active cosmetics division at L'Oreal.
Okay guys, so I ended up staying because, wait, I want to get you in this. She's fasting as well. While everyone is enjoying their meal, we're just like, because I was gonna leave originally, and then she's like, wait, are you fasting too? I'm like, yes I am. So we have fasting buddies over here. But everyone's enjoying the food. It smells amazing in here. I'll show you guys the food when it's time to eat. Actually, it's like, we have exactly like 20 minutes left. So we're probably gonna be able to eat the entree here, which I'm excited about. Guys, it worked out perfectly. Yay, we get to eat! Yay! This looks so good. I'm starving. Alright, so I just got home. I'm so tired, but I'm honestly shocked my makeup still looks this good. Oh my god, look at the creasing. Barely anything. Wearing, of course, my favorite concoction, the Bobbi Brown, all over here, and then NARS everywhere else. But yeah, today was quite an eventful day, if I do say so myself. It's funny how the dinner worked out. Like, they were just talking so much in the beginning that by the time they got like their second course, which was the fish and stuff, it ended up being like 9 o'clock and I could break my fast. And luckily the girl beside me, as you guys saw, she was fasting as well, which made the experience so much better because I was so like nervous about being there and everyone being like, why aren't you eating, why aren't you eating? Actually I was just gonna leave before that, but alhamdulillah, it all worked out perfectly. The food was delicious. They had like a salad in the beginning, which I don't even think I breathed. I took a breath. I was literally just stuffing my face. I've never been so hungry this month. And then like the salmon was so good. I just could not finish it. Everything was delicious. Like everything was so freaking good. But now I have to look at all the emails that my lips look so messed up, that I've basically ignored all day because I've been out. Oh my god, if you guys can see my inbox right now, it is insanity. Oh my god, I have so much stuff to go through. But anyways, the work day does not end for me, unfortunately. I gotta keep going. but I wouldn't have it any other way. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog over here because I really do just need to sleep. Well, not sleep. I have a long ways before I can sleep, but I really just need to check this all out. So I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's video, which will hopefully be the Eid lookbook, but I don't know if I can edit it all tomorrow. I have a lot of stuff to do. But thanks for following me along today. I hope you guys had fun. I certainly did. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, if you like me, if you love me, give it a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Mwah.